everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix random black screen error on Windows 10. So let's begin. So here we are, and the first thing that we would need to do is click on the start menu, and from here I want you to open your device manager. So type in device manager right here. So we would need to update our display and our monitors right here, because this is the most likely reason that you're having your black screen problems, because this is outdated right here. So all you have to do is right click, update, and also for this one right here on your monitors, update right here, and just like this one, and search automatically for drivers and make sure you have the best drivers installed. Or you could also update your graphics right here on your software. So if you're using AMD, then you can type in AMD right here and you should have your AMD software. Or if you're using NVIDIA, then you can type in GeForce right here as your graphics card, and you can see it right here. So since I am using AMD, so I have the software right here, and I can just go and download the current update available for me. And yeah, if I am having that error, then I can download and install it right away. So that is a thing you can do to fix your black screen. And another one is to go into our power plan. So go here into your start menu, and from here type in power, and you can see the edit power plan and control panel option right here. So you want to click on this one right here. So from here you want to click on change advanced power settings. So click on it, and from here you want to go expand the PCI Express right here, expand, and then expand this one again. And yeah, so expand it all of this right here. Then you want to make sure that your setting right here is turned off. So once you're done, then you click on apply and then okay. And this is most especially helpful when you are experiencing your black screen when you're playing a game or you're using some apps that is really taking up your resources of your PC. So yeah, that will be most helpful. And another thing that you can do is you want to update your third-party antivirus, because that might be the cause of your black screens, or you can just disable or uninstall it if you're not really finding it useful anyway. So yeah, it would be more beneficial for you to uninstall it right here and just use Windows Defender. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.